Hello and welcome. We will be looking at how to use the SEO and Video Auditor tool on Tubetool.Ai. This AI-powered video analytics report tool reveals crucial insights, guiding you towards informed decisions for optimal channel growth. To use the Video Auditor tool, enter the video or playlist title or select from your list of existing videos. The Video Auditor tool immediately swings into action and produces powerful analytics and insights about your video and playlist. For the SEO analysis, you enter the keyword in the SEO analysis section that you want to search for the video and click the Check SEO button. Your video rank, title SEO score, thumbnail score, SEO suggestion, and other analytics are then displayed. Thanks for watching.